Always broke by Wednesday. Slash these 10 daily expenses immediately. Tips for reducing daily expenses. I don't even spend on big things, but my money still disappears every day. 1. Make a daily spending cap and stick to it. Decide how much you're allowed to spend each day, for example, KSH 200. Once it's gone, stop spending, no exceptions. 2. Carry packed meals instead of buying. Buying lunch at KSH, 150 per day is KSH, 3,000 per month. Packing ugali and sukuma at home cuts that by 80%. 3. Walk short distances, save on fare. If your destination is less than 2 kilometers away, walk. You'll save transport money and stay fit at the same time. 4. Use a budgeting app to track every coin. Install apps like Monify, Mint, or use Excel, Google Sheets. Seeing where your money goes is the first step to stopping leaks. 5. Say no to soft life pressure. You don't need that fancy coffee or pizza every weekend. It's a vibe, yes, but it's draining your wallet silently. 6. Buy in bulk, not bits. Soap, rice, tissue buy monthly, not daily. Bulk shopping at wholesalers like Naivas, Carrefour, or Eastmart saves thousands. 7. Share subscriptions. Split Netflix, Spotify, Showmax, or Adobe with trusted friends. Paying full price alone is unnecessary in 2025. 8. Shop mid-month, not end-month. Prices spike during salary weeks. Shop during mid-month or off-peak hours when fewer people are buying. 9. Carry a water bottle. Buying bottled water daily at KSH 50 is KSH 1,500 per month. Carry your own, healthier, cheaper, smarter. 10. Cut airtime used by switching to Wi-Fi or bundles. Set daily bundle limits, turn off auto updates, and avoid TikTok doom scrolling on data. It burns more cash than you think. You're not broke, you're just leaking cash. Subscribe now for more smart money saving tricks that put your income to work for you.